a long week. I really just want to look hydrated. I want you to see my face from space. Hello and welcome back to Lucky Dip. I'm Sarah Marie, and if you like highlighters, this is the episode for you. I know I look super shiny right now. One might say I resemble a Christmas tree. Please don't take note of how shiny I look. We're gonna talk really good highlighter products. Let's see what's in the bag today. Okay, we've got MCoBeauty. This is the Grip Illuminating Primer, Mecca Max Pinch Me Moment, Off Duty Blush Duo Stick. Oh my God, I just feel like that should be my middle name. I love a blush duo stick or a contour stick. Makeups that come in sticks are like my vibe. Ouch! Clarins Ombré 4 colors. This one is in 01. Fairy Tale Nude Gradation. Nude Gradation. We've got Revlon Glow Wand. Oh, it is a highlighter kind of episode today. Nude by Nature Dewy Serum Blush Drops. I'm gonna be glowing like the sun. Like this is gonna glow like a Christmas tree, basically. I'm gonna open this up. So this is the shade. Oh. The packaging of this is so pretty. I think the colors, loving that. I think the colors are really pretty. Grip Illuminating Primer. Oh, it's one of these little smushy things. This is just so satisfying. I love when you have to like unlock it. You always have to twist it to the open. Oh, it's just, I was twisting it the wrong way. I was really trying to lock it in. So it actually does just, So this is the Revlon Glow Wand. This is the MCoBeauty. Let's get this out of its packaging. These look gorgeous. Okay, this is the Popsicle. And this is the Sun Swept. So using the MCoBeauty because it is thinner, back of the hand, I'm gonna apply this to my whole face. It's gonna give my face a glow. It's not gonna give it any coverage. It really is just if you want like a nice glowy base. This one I think is gonna be quite strong. So we are just doing it on key points of the face. You can use your hands or you can use a brush, it's up to you. So the MCoBeauty I would say it does have a glow, slight sparkle versus this one, which is more that creamier glow. I absolutely love this. I'm actually gonna use that. Let's mix these two together because I think that's a little too nude on the lip. I think I needed just a little bit more of like touch of color. Let's get this blush. So the Nude by Nature Dewy Serum Drops. Okay. This blush alone, if you wanted to have a glow with a bit of pigment, you can use this without highlighter, 100%. Man, if you've got dry skin, this is gonna be the product shopping list for you. Everything in here has a glow. You would not want to use any of this all together if you were oily because I think you'll just slide off any surface that you sit on. But if you're someone who wants your skin to look more hydrated, these are all so creamy and glowy. I'm a combination skin and I would still go for some of these. I just would use it a little less than what I've done today. Shall we try? Let's try it with the applicator. Let's see if it really, is this really just a waste of plastic? Or will it actually work? You know what, we've got matte shades here, but I feel like we just need to commit to the glowy look, and let's just get this highlighter and just press this in. I'm gonna put this on my eyelid. There's literally no prep. I've done no prep on my eyes. Let's just apply this. I'm gonna apply one side with the applicator and I'm gonna apply one side with my finger. And let's see if my finger will do a better job than this sponge applicator. So it does the job enough to apply. I'm gonna see if my finger does a better job. It's faster, I got the same amount of pigment. Like you really don't need this. You can just use your ring finger, press it in there and give it a wipe. Just make sure your hands are dry. No one is gonna use this much glow unless they're having like one of those days where like, it's been a long week. I really just wanna look hydrated and fresh. It's a lot of shine, okay? I think individually, these are all great. Perfect blushes, really love them combined together for the lips. And I think this eyeshadow really does have a lovely pigment. The packaging's really pretty. I know I was bagging out the applicator, but obviously you don't have to get an applicator. I don't have anything bad to say about it. I do honestly think I need to take a photo of my face, bring it to the Christmas tree store and be like, okay, so this is my inspiration for my Christmas tree today. I want it to shine brighter than this. I want you to see my face from space. Just take note of the technique is what I'm gonna take back from this, and individually, use them individually. Well, yeah, thanks for joining us at Lucky Dip today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next week.